Most people don't know DaVinci Resolve can do this, and that's only one of 5 timeline tricks that can save you a ton of editing time. Let's start with trick number 1. In this scenario, have you ever found yourself working on a project and you have an area that you would like to fill, but the clip doesn't fit that space? Well, an easy way to get your clip to fit into that is to put your playhead where you want the clip to be and hit I, and that will create an end point. Click where you want the clip to stop and hit O. Highlight the clip area that you want it to actually be in, and if it has audio, also select the audio area that you want it to be. Go and select the clip itself in the media pool, go up to the edit and scroll down to fit to fill, and now that will automatically be inserted and retimed to fit that area, and the rest of the timeline will not be affected. That is a quick and simple way to get it to fit in there. In this scenario, if you're on the edit page and you have a bunch of clips in a single track and you want to turn them all into one continuous clip or multiple tracks, just select them all and hit Alt and the backslash, and that will merge all of them together, gluing them into one continuous clip. In this case, you're working on a project and there might be times where you want to insert a clip or maybe an image into the timeline. Well, look just below the preview window and above the timeline, you will see that you have replace a clip, overwrite a clip, or insert a clip. What you're going to do is you're going to move your playhead to where you want to insert your clip, select the video clip that you want to insert the image or video into, go up to your media pool, highlight the image that you want to insert, and click Insert Clip. That will insert it automatically and move everything over in your timeline. In this case, you've got a clip in your timeline, and let's say that you want to stretch the end so that it is longer and move everything after that. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to your trim edit mode, take your clip, and you're going to highlight it and stretch it out. As you see, everything will move after that cut as long as you have all of your clips enabled and nothing locked. You can also do that to the beginning by taking it and stretching it in the opposite direction. If you stretch it to the left, it will do the same thing, starting and moving everything to the left. And what about this case? If you ever have a piece of footage and you need to move items around, you can always just sit there and try and move them in and squeeze them in and so on. There is a much better way to do this, and that would be to go up and do the trim edit mode. Once you highlight that, you can select your clip, hold down the Control and the Shift key, and use the period and comma as left and right. And once you do, you can move your selected clip anywhere on the timeline that you so choose. And that's a much easier way to move stuff around than it is to actually squeeze it in. Try these. You will find that it saves so much time. We hope you got some use out of this. If you would, please give us a comment below. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.